have a second chance. Chic Sparrow, I believe a pocket size mail, which I'm so excited. I'm so nervous, but let's see. Okay, here it is. I'm so excited. It comes with the little envelope. This is the new card that it comes with. And I'm not gonna read my invoice because it's gonna tell me, but it feels like a sturdy leather. The only thing that I put on my notes is that I didn't want any pink, or no, I didn't want any black, and that fall colors are my favorite. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, it feels nice. There's no, oh, there is stitching. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I wanted to get this color, but it was a little bit on the pricier side. Like, I'm so glad I got this one. It's like such a cool thing. Okay, so by the looks of it, I see like a little mark here. Nothing crazy, honestly. Maybe like something like, maybe like this is the mark. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then from the back, I mean, I see one scratch here, nothing big. And then there's like a couple of like dark spots there. Same with like the pin, loop pin here. And then I see some distress here, but I don't care. I love this color. Okay, and then I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. This is like my first Chic Sparrow pocket deluxe. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, so again, I see some white spots there. You can kind of see something here, like some dark spots. Nothing crazy. It's just so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I freaking love it. Oh, it's so worth it. I was a little nervous, but I mean, I am very, very happy with my purchase. Okay, so on to my next one. Oh my god, this is so cool. And I'm not really familiar with Chic Sparrow leather, like the names and everything. So, oh my god, it came out with this cute little sticker. It says Deluxe Second Chance Pocket Chamomile. This is what I put. Please no black color. I love full colors. Thank you. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, my next one is again a Chic Sparrow Nano. Now this one, I know what color I got, so it's not like a surprise. Let's just open it from the side. I love their little like paper. Okay. And it also comes with the car. Same thing. Okay, this is my Nano TN. And this is in the color, what is it? There's the name of the leather, and then there's the name of it. It's the Outlander Nano Clear. Perfect. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. It's amazing, you guys. Oh. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it has this little, I don't know what to call. Oh, do you see that? If you do this, you can see some color in there. I'm very intrigued how this is gonna patina. Like, look at that beautiful, beautiful color there. Oh my goodness. You know what? Because I watch a couple YouTube videos, this thing looked a little bit more smaller. And I was kind of curious because it says that it holds like credit cards, or like it holds your ID and credit cards. It looks a little bit bigger than the videos, of course, but it's still so freaking pretty. Look at that. Oh, and I did order some of those what do you call inserts from their website as well, and that's coming with another purchase that I made. Oh, it's so pretty. I am in love, you guys. Okay, so there's that one. Oh, so pretty. And then there's that one. Oh my god, aren't they just so beautiful? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my, you guys, you know what, I'm thinking I'm gonna change this, the strings. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the white, but I'm excited. Oh, and you know, I have a couple TNs, but they don't have the pockets. And what I have is the leather quill notebooks, and I have the ones I have are with no pockets. Oh my goodness, you guys. I mean, second chance, I don't really see why, you know, like this will be a second chance, because I feel like all of the marks that they have, they come, you know, as a part of the leather thing. But it's really cool that Chic Sparrow does that. I like that I was able to get this one sooner. I also live in Washington, so I think that's one of the reasons why I was able to get them earlier. Oh, I'm so excited.